Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good and ready for study. So today's topic is the Northern Plains. So let's begin. Location and extent. To the south of Himalayas are the extensive northern plains of India. They cover the state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal and some part of Assam. They stretch over a distance of 2,400 kilometers from west to east and their breadth varies from 150 to 300 kilometers. So location और extent की बात की जाती है अगर northern plains की बच्चों, so we'll start from south of Himalayas are extensive northern plains of India. और कौन कौन सी स्टेट हैं? Which states are covered the northern plains? So first one is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal and some parts of Assam. और ये स्ट्रेच करती है, डिस्टेंस कवर करती है, so 2,400 kilometers from west to east and their breadth varies from 150 to 300 kilometers. Features: the northern plains are broad, flat and level region. Many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Gangtok, Kosi, Satluj and Brahmaputra flow through these plains. Alluvial soils brought down by these rivers has made the region very fertile. Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra divide the northern plains into three parts: the Ganga basin and the Satluj Brahmaputra basin. Northern plains बच्चों is a broad, flat and level regions and many rivers are flowing there. Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Gangtok, Kosi, Satluj and Brahmaputra. And alluvial soil, okay, so brought down by these rivers. कहाँ पर लेके आती है? Yes, Punjab, Haryana also, and it's make the soil fertile. Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra divide northern plains into three parts. So कौन कौन से name है? Yes, these are the names: the Ganga basin and the Satluj Brahmaputra basin. So we'll start from the Satluj basin. The Satluj basin lies in the western part of northern plains. Punjab and Haryana lie in the Satluj basin. The Bhakra Nangal Dam, built on the river Satluj, provides water and hydroelectricity to both the states. Wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane are grown here. Chandigarh, Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Ambala, Rohtak, Karnal, Hisar, Faridabad and Gurgaon are the main cities found of this basin. The region has many industries like hosiery goods, automobiles, railway coaches, textiles and sports goods. Satluj basin lies, yes, western part of northern plains and the main cities Punjab and Haryana lies in Satluj basin. Bhakra Nangal Dam जो बिल्ड करता है रिवर सतलुज पर and it provides water and hydroelectricity for both the states. Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane are grown here. So main cities are here: Chandigarh, Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Ambala, Rohtak, Karnal, Hisar, Faridabad and Gurgaon. Main cities are found in this basin. Means in this basin means Satluj basin. Very good. And region have many industries are here. Like hosiery goods यहाँ पर है बच्चे, automobiles, railway coaches and textile and sports goods are here. Next one is Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra lies in the eastern part of the northern plain. The river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet and enters India from Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Then it flows into Bangladesh, meets river Padma and forms the world's largest delta Sundarbans before falling into the Bay of Bengal. And this delta is home to many wild animals like the Royal Bengal tiger, elephant and crocodile. The Brahmaputra basin is, so Brahmaputra basin में ये कहाँ पर lie करता है? Yes, in the eastern part of the northern plains. And this river is Brahmaputra rivers originate, okay, it's the originate point from in Tibet and enter करती है, yes, from Arunachal Pradesh से and Assam से. Then it flows into Bangladesh and meets करती है river Padma and forms the world's largest delta बनाती है और delta name is Sundarbans before falling into the Bay of Bengal. ठीक है, Bay of Bengal में जाने से पहले ही it creates Yes, delta, Sundarban delta. The delta is home to many wild animals. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे wild animals रहते हैं, like Royal Bengal tiger, elephant and crocodile. Surrounded by the Garo, Khasi, Janchia and Naga hills, it receives the highest rainfall, thus causing heavy floods. The main crops of this basin are paddy, jute and tea. Guwahati and Dispur are its main cities. अगर हम बात करते हैं सराउंडिंग की, ओके, सराउंडिंग में कौन कौन है? गारो, खासी, जैंचिया एंड नागा हिल्स, एंड इट रिसीव्स हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल बच्चों, ठीक है, हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल किसकी वजह से? कॉजिंग हैवी फ्लड्स. और मेन क्रॉप्स आर बेस्ड इन हियर पैडी, जूट एंड टी, and main cities are here Guwahati and Dispur. Importance of northern plains. The fertile alluvial soil of these plains help us to grow many food crops, making it the granary of our country. The crops grown here provide raw material to many industries like cotton textiles, sugar and jute industries. The northern plains are thickly populated because of fine climate, fertile soil and a large network of roads and railways. The perennial rivers flowing through the plains are useful for island transport. Many cities have come up along the banks of rivers. So important, ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं कोई चीज़ बच्चे हमारे लिए important होती है. So it's the importance of northern plains. We are talking about the fertile alluvial soil which is very helpful for growing crops. And these plains helps us to grow many food crops. लेकिन अब कहाँ कहाँ पर उन चीज़ों की इंपॉर्टेंस बताई गई है जो क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करती है. सो इट प्रोवाइड्स रॉ मटेरियल ऑल्सो लाइक मैनी इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक कॉटन टेक्सटाइल में, शुगर में, जूट इंडस्ट्रीज में, ओके, इसमें हेल्पफुल होती है. नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स ऑल्सो थिकली पॉपुलेटेड, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ फाइन क्लाइमेट. किसी ना किसी रीजन की वजह से वहाँ पॉपुलेशन जो है वो कैसी है? थिकली है. सो ड्यू टू रीजन ऑफ क्लाइमेट, फर्टाइल सॉयल एंड लार्ज नेटवर्क ऑफ रोड्स एंड रेलवेज की वजह से जो पेरिनियल रिवर्स हैं बच्चे, जो हिमालय से आती हैं, ओके, ऊपर से आती हैं, दीज आर पेरिनियल रिवर्स फ्लोइंग थ्रू दीज प्लेन्स, ओके, इन प्लेन्स में आ जाती हैं फॉर आइलैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. और बहुत सारी सिटीज हैं हैव कम अप अलोंग द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर्स के साथ में है वो. Life of people in the northern plains. Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers as the river Satluj. Bees, Ravi, Jhelum and Chenab flow through it. Farming is the main occupation of the people. The men wear pajama and kurta and the women wear salwar kameez. People speak Hindi and Punjabi. Their favorite dishes are makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Guru Parb, Holi, Diwali and Baisakhi are their main festivals. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is the most important Gurudwara of the Sikhs. Bhangra and Gidda are its main folk dances. Yes, here we are going to discuss about the Northern Plains, and Northern Plains, it has a many largest and beautiful city which name is Punjab. Punjab is known as land of 5 rivers as rivers of Satluj, Bees, रावी, झेलम एंड चेनाब, ओके, ये यहाँ से फ्लो करती हैं. सो फार्मिंग इज मेन ऑक्यूपेशन. क्या? फार्मिंग जो है, क्रॉप ग्रो करना इज मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ दिस स्टेट. जो मैन है वो वियर करते हैं पजामा एंड कुर्ताज एंड वीमेन वियर करती हैं सलवार कमीज. और मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल स्पीक हिंदी एंड पंजाबी. यस, देयर मेन फेवरेट डिशेज आर मक्की की रोटी एंड सरसों का साग. सो मेन फेस्टिवल्स आर हियर which we celebrated in this state. So Guru Parb, Holi, Diwali and Baisakhi. And the Golden Temple in Amritsar is most important Gurudwara of the Sikhs. And main dances are here. Bhangra and Gidda is main folk dances which is enjoying here. Farming is the main occupation of the people Haryana. They grow wheat, sugarcane, pulses, rice and maize. The men of Haryana wear dhoti kurta and women wear ghagra kurta. They speak Hindi and Haryanvi. People celebrate Lohri, Basant Panchami, Holi and Teej. So we are talking about here, yes, main state Haryana. So farming is also main occupation like a Punjab, also populated here, and they are growing wheat, sugarcane, pulses, rice and maize. And men wear is, yes, dhoti kurta, and women wear ghagra kurta. Most of the peoples are speaking here Hindi and Haryanvi, and they are celebrating Lohri, Basant Panchami, Holi and Tej. Delhi is the national capital territory of India. It has many historical monuments like Jantar Mantar, Lotus Temple, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, etc. The Supreme Court of India, the Parliament House, the President and the Prime Minister's offices are located in Delhi. People from all parts of India live in Delhi. People speak Hindi, English, Punjabi languages. So Delhi is the capital of India. Very good. And it's a capital and territory also. And there's many historical monuments like Jantar Mantar, Lotus Temple, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar. And Supreme Court of India also here, Parliament of House also here, President and Prime Minister's offices are located in also Delhi. And people speak Hindi, English and Punjabi languages. Uttar Pradesh is most populated Indian state. It is drained by Ganga and its tributaries. Varanasi and Ayodhya are the important religious places. Taj Mahal is in Agra. People speak Hindi and Urdu. They celebrate festivals like Diwali, Dussehra, Holi, Eid and Christmas. Triveni Sangam is the meeting point of three rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Yes, we are talking about here Uttar Pradesh. Yes, Uttar Pradesh is most populated Indian state. ठीक है, जहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा population है. Other than states, so it is drained by Ganga and its tributaries. So Varanasi और अयोध्या की बात की जाए, yes, they are religious places. And Taj Mahal is in Agra. And most of the people speak Hindi and Urdu. And they are celebrating festivals like Diwali, Dussehra, Holi, Eid and Christmas. And we are here, Triveni Sangam is also, you can look here. So meeting point of three rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Bihar is the third most populated Indian state. People speak mainly Hindi, Bhojpuri and Magdi. Chhath is the main traditional festival of Bihar. The two cities of historical importance are Nalanda and Bodh Gaya. So Bihar जो है third most populated Indian state बोली जाती है बच्चे. Most of the people क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, these are the languages Hindi and Bhojpuri और Magdi. And Chhath पूजा जो है बच्चे is the main traditional festival of Bihar. Two cities of historical importance है जिसमें है Nalanda and Bodh Gaya. Jharkhand is a new state. The river Damodar flows through it. People speak Hindi and Bhojpuri. One of India's biggest steel plant is located at Bokara. So Jharkhand is a new state, okay? And river यहाँ पर कौन सी flow होती है? Damodar. Very good. And most of the people speak Hindi and Bhojpuri. And India's biggest steel plant are located in Bokara in Jharkhand. West Bengal lies in the fertile plain formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra. People speak Bengali. Men wear dhoti kurta and women wear sari. Durga Puja is celebrated by the people of West Bengal. So West Bengal is one of the state where we celebrate, very good, which is Durga Puja. Yes, the main festival is here and it lies in fertile plain formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra. Most of the people speak Bengali, okay, and men wear dhoti kurta and women wear sari. River Brahmaputra has made the soil of Assam fertile. People speak Assamese and Bodo language. Bihu is the main festival celebrated by the people of Assam. So Brahmaputra river, okay, so has made the soil of Assam fertile, okay, soil को fertile बनाती है. Which river? Brahmaputra river. And people speak Assamese and Bodo languages. Main festival is celebrated here, Bihu, by the people of Assam. The people of Tripura speak Bengali. Durga Puja and Kali Puja are the festivals celebrated. People of Tripura are well known for their stone earring. So यहाँ पर फेस्टिवल ऑफ त्रिपुरा की बात की जाए तो कौन से होते हैं? दुर्गा पूजा एंड काली पूजा. ओके, मेन फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेटेड हेयर एंड people of Tripura are well known for their stone earning. And here you can look the pictures Kumbh Mela, Chhath Puja and Durga Puja. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter and you have to read carefully and related to the exercise, do yourself बच्चों.